It's alright, just grab him like that from behind, that way his wings don't flap.
Can you just put it in my hand?
Alright. He'd probably fly off trying to get to that cage or the computer desk.
She's freaking out.
Yeah, but see, it's alright, just you can fit him.
Okay, it's doing cool. All right.
He likes to stick to your fingers, doesn't he? Sometimes he'll, bite your fingers and climb up.
I'm really nervous right now.
Hey, he's the nicest one we got.
Okay,
That little sucker.
Just don't shit on me.
That little sucker, he don't care what you do. If you even touch him, he will.
Did you say if you even bite him?
No, I said if you even touch him, he will bite the crap out of your fingers. But not that one. He lets you touch him.
You doing okay?
Yeah, my fucking heart is pounding right now. It's okay, little bird. No, don't freak out. Okay, I'm cool. Ah, let go of my TV. I can't believe I touched that thing.
Here, boy. Come on. He likes that cage. He won't step up yet. I haven't trained him to do that. He'll let you pet him, though.
It's okay, they ain't that mean.
What the heck? What the heck?
Jeremy, you should hold him now.
No, I'm good.
Come on. Here, I'll videotape it.
No, I'm good.
Yeah.
Nope. I'm good on both
Look,
of
I
those.
even picked it up. Come on.
Look at that.
Oh, that's great, but I'm more terrified of birds than you are.
Jeremy, you should have seen me. Every time I saw a bird in the sky, I would run back inside.
You're just not scared of it anymore because you know it won't bite you.
Come here.
Pick that one up.
No.
Uh-huh.
I can pick him up.
No, don't you take that one out the cage.
What's the matter?
I don't know why. It's gonna bite me. Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
Feathers?
What are you doing?
He's pooping on you.
No, it's not. I went through this bird. Shit, no.
Look, just bring your hand close to this cage and he'll fly out of it.
Jeremy, come here. It's fine.
Dude, you know what's funny right now?
What?
Is like, scoot back. I can see the Mountain Dew bottle, and it looks like the same size as your fucking, from your collarbone down to your waist.
Seriously?
It's cool now. It's like,
That's cool,
bird.
dude.
Yeah.
I just touched it earlier.
No, you didn't? Yeah, you pet him. You don't hold him.
Yeah, I don't want to hold him.
Take the bravery of holding him.
I'm not going to hold it.
That's
There you
like
go.
I mean, look.
I think it feels fucking weird. Don't fuck with this fucking feathers like that.
He likes to ruffle it up for some reason. Come on, Jeremy.
Nope.
He's making a video of you. Don't trust him.
Don't put it near him. If he's really that scared of it. You need to try it though once before I leave.
See?
I'll try.
Right now.
No.
Because you're about to leave.
No.
Yeah.
Please don't take that one out.
Just make sure his foot is alright. Yeah.
Born to be bad.
But see, Al is the nice and calm one. Robin is the one that will bite the crap out of you. I mean, I was holding the cage like this, and I literally bit my finger while I was holding it. Freaking ran in there and I flicked that little sucker in the beak.
Weirdo.
Yes, by the way, I'm in a yellow raincoat.
No, wait, flip it back. Flip it back.
Babe, can we have a cigarette now?
What did you say?
Can we have a cigarette now?
What did you say?
Have it now.
What?
You can have both.
Okay, turn it off. Just
It's off.
No, it's
No, it's
not.